Practical 14, Subject, RDBMS for 3rd Semester Diploma Computer Engineering. Hello everyone, Practical 14, aim of practical is implement PL, SQL programs using control structures. A. Use if-else, case, loop, while, for statements. PL, SQL માં procedural logic લખી CHIYE. Step by step સમજાવો, if-else check કરે number even or odd. Case condition print કરે according to value. Loop print કરે numbers, while factorial calculate કરે છે. For loop 1 થી 5 સુધી print કરે છે. આ code explain કરીને output lines read કરો. Odd number, factorial of 5 equals 120, etc. 1. If-else statement. If v underscore num mod 2 equals 0 then v underscore result equals even number. Else, v underscore result equals odd number. And if, here APDE check કરીએ કે number even છે કે odd. Mod operator remainder return કરે છે. જો remainder 0 હોય to even number. अन्यथा odd number. For v underscore num equals 5, output thase. If else result, odd number. 2. Case statement. Case v underscore num. When 1 then, when 2 then, when 3 then, else, end case. Case statement switch case ની જેમ કામ કરે છે, like C, Java. આપણે multiple conditions check કરી શકીએ. આ પ્રોગ્રામ માં v underscore num equals 5 છે, એટલે output આવશે. Case result, greater than 3. 3. Simple loop. Loop. Exit when v underscore counter greater than 3, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, loop counter, v underscore counter. v underscore counter equals v underscore counter જોડ 1, end loop. આ એક basic infinite loop છે જે manually exit condition આપે છે. Loop print કરે છે 1, 2, 3, in પછી exit થઈ જાય છે. And this is our output. Loop counter, 1, loop counter, 2, loop counter, 3. 4. While loop. While v underscore counter less than equals v underscore num loop. v underscore factorial equals v underscore factorial v underscore counter. v underscore counter equals v underscore counter જોડ 1, end loop. આ loop factorial calculate કરે છે. Condition true હોય ty સુધી loop ચલે છે. For v underscore num equals 5, factorial equals 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 equals 120 and here is our output. While loop, factorial of 5, 120, 5, for loop. For I in 1.5 loop. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, for loop value, I. End loop. For loop automatically control variable manage કરે છે, start થી end સુધી. આ loop 1 થી 5 સુધી numbers print કરે છે. And this is output. For loop value, 1, for loop value, 2, for loop value, 3, for loop value, 4, for loop value, 5. Final output summary. If else result, odd number. Case result, greater than 3. Loop counter, 1, loop counter, 2, loop counter, 3, while loop, factorial of 5, 120, for loop value, 1, for loop value, 2, for loop value, 3, for loop value, 4, for loop value, 5. Students, PL, SQL માં control structures તમને real logic implement કરવા મદદ